Huh? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Em, and in today's video, it's going to be a very special one because today is the first day of our DIY Christmas gift ideas. In this Christmas season, I will be uploading series of Christmas DIY gift ideas. In this video, we will make a customized mug, and I also have a ceramic saucer that we will be decorating today. Along the way, I will be including some tips as well so that your design will last for a long time. First off, make sure that you will use a matte finished mug so that your permanent marker will adhere to the surface when you wash it so it won't fade easily. So these are the materials that we will be using for this project. First is your canvas. So here I have a mug, and as you can see, it's a Christmas mug, and I also have ceramic sauce container that can be repurposed or used for coins and jewelries. Next item is a permanent marker. Make sure to use an oil-based permanent marker so it will really adhere to the surface of your canvas. We will also use an alcohol and a cotton pad to clean the surface before we put our design. We can also use this to easily correct mistakes. And here's how we're gonna do it. First, clean your canvas surface with the alcohol and cotton pad. And now, you can start your design. Use the cotton pad with alcohol to erase any mistakes. But be sure to work fast on this while the design is still not dry. Make sure to let it dry in between coats. I suggest you put 2 coats or at least go over it twice to make sure that it will adhere to the surface. Let your design dry completely before you put it in the oven. Set your oven to 220 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Once done, just let it cool in the oven. These are great gift ideas for your friends and family who loves to drink coffee or if they just want to get organized. I personally love these because I can use it for smaller items. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have other DIYs which are great for gift giving this Christmas season, please comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and keep in mind that there's always something to be grateful for. Thank you. Bye!